Welcome dear 10th standard students. In this video class I am going to teach chapter mensuration, topic volume of the solid and solving sums from the example 7.22 and 7.23 and also solving sums from the exercise 7.2 sum number 3 and 8 to 10. Exercise 7.2 sum number 3. If the circumference of a conical wooden piece is 484 cm, then find its volume when its height is 105 cm. Here, a conical wooden piece is given. Its base is form of a circle. The circumference of the circle is 484 cm and the height of the cone is 105 cm. To find the volume of the cone. Given cone. Height of the cone is 105 centimeter. That is taken as h. Circumference of a conical wooden piece is 484 centimeter. Base of the cone. The base is circular shape. Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. 2 pi r is equal to 484 centimeter. 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 484 centimeter. R is equal to 484 into 1 by 2 into 7 by 22. 22 into 22 we get 484. So 484 is divided by 22 we get 22. 22 is divided by 2 we get 11. 11 into 7 77. R is 77 centimeter. Volume of cone is 1 by 3 into pi r square h cubic units. Volume of the conical wooden piece is 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r is 77. R square 77 into 77 into h is 105. 105 is divided by 3 we get 35. 77 is divided by 7 we get 11. 22 into 11 into 77 into 35 we get 6,52,190 centimeter cube. Exercise 7.287. A solid sphere and a solid hemisphere have equal total surface area. Prove that the ratio of their volume is 3 root 3 is to 4. Here in the sum, a solid hemisphere and a solid sphere is given. The total surface area of solid sphere and solid hemisphere are equal. To prove the ratio of the volumes is 3 root 3 is to 4. Solid sphere and solid hemisphere is given. Its total surface area are equal. Total surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square units. Total surface area of a hemisphere is 3 pi r square units. Total surface area of a sphere is equal to total surface area of a hemisphere. 4 pi r1 square is equal to 3 pi r2 square. Pi cancel. 4 r1 square is equal to 3 r2 square. R1 square is equal to 3 by 4 r2 square. Taking square root, r1 is equal to root 3 by 2 into r2. Volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube cubic unit. Volume of a hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube cubic unit. Ratio of the volumes, volume of the sphere by volume of the hemisphere, 4 by 3 into pi into r1 cube by 2 by 3 into pi into r2 cube. 3 cancel, pi cancel. 4 is divided by 2 we get 2. So 2 into r1 is root 3 by 2 into r2 the whole cube by r2 cube. 2 into root 3 cube is 3 root 3 by 2 cube is 8 r2 cube. R2 cube cancel. We get 2 is divided by 8 is divided by 2 we get 4. 3 root 3 by 4. Therefore the ratio of the volume is 3 root 3 is to 4, hence proved. Example number 7.22. Calculate the weight of a hollow sphere if the inner diameter is 14 centimeter and thickness is 1 millimeter and whose density is 17.3 gram per centimeter cube. Here, hollow brace sphere is given. Its diameter, inner diameter is 14 centimeter and the thickness is 1 millimeter. The density of the brace is 17.3 gram per centimeter cube. To calculate the weight of the hollow brace sphere, given hollow brace sphere, inner diameter 14 centimeter, inner radius r is 7 centimeter, thickness 1 millimeter, that is 1 by 10 centimeter. Outer radius is inner radius plus thickness 7 plus 1 by 10, LCM is 10, 70 plus 1 by 10, 71 by 10, 7.1 centimeter. Outer radius r is 7.1 centimeter. Volume of the hollow sphere is 4 by 3 pi into capital R cube minus small r cube cubic units. 4 by 3 into pi 22 by 7 into r. Capital R is 7.1. 7.1 the whole cube. Small r is 7 cube. 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 7.1 cube is 357.91 minus 7 cube is 343. 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 14.91. 14.91 is divided by 7, we get 2.13. 2.13 is divided by 3, we get 0.71. 4 into 22 into 0.71, we get 62.48 centimeter cube. Weight of the brace is 1 centimeter cube is 17.3 gram. Total weight 17.3 into 62.48, 1080.90 gram. Total weight is 1080.9 grams. Volume of a frustum is 1 by 3 pi h into capital R square plus capital R small r plus small r square cubic units. Example number 7.23. If the radii of the circular ends of a frustum which is 45 cm high or 28 cm and 7 cm, find the volume of the frustum. Here given a frustum. Its height is 45 cm. One of the end radius is 28 cm. Another end is 7 cm. Smaller value is taken as small r. Greater value is taken as capital R. Given frustum height h is equal to 45 cm. Top and bottom radii of the frustum is given. R, small r is 7 cm. Capital R is 25 cm. Volume of the frustum is 1 by 3 pi h into capital R square plus capital R small r plus small r square cubic unit. 1 by 3 into pi 22 by 7 into r h 45 into capital R is 28 square plus 28 into small r 7 plus small r square 7 square. 20 by 45 is divided by 3, we get 15. 22 by 7 into 15 into 28 square 784 plus 28 into 7 196 plus 7 square 49. 784 plus 196 plus 49, we get 1029. 1029 is divided by 7, we get 147. 22 into 15 into 147, we get 48,510 centimeter cube. Therefore, volume of the frustum is 48,510 centimeter cube. Exercise 7.2, sum number 9. The outer and the inner surface area of a spherical copper shell are 576 pi centimeter square and 324 pi centimeter square respectively. Find the volume of the material required to make the shell. A spherical copper shell. The outer and inner surface area is given. The outer surface area is 576 pi centimeter square and the inner surface area is 324 pi centimeter square. To find the volume of material required to make the shell, given spherical copper shell of hollow sphere, the outer surface area is 576 pi centimeter square. Surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. 4 pi capital R square is equal to 576 pi centimeter square. Pi cancel. R square is equal to 576 by 4. R square is equal to 144. R square is equal to 12 square. 12 square is 144. So taking square root, we get R is 12. Outer radius R, capital R is 12 centimeter. The inner surface area is 324 pi centimeter square. Formula is 4 pi small r square is equal to 324 pi. Pi cancel. R square is equal to 324 by 4. R square is 81. R square is equal to 9 square. 9 square is 81. Taking square root, we get R is 9. Inner radius small r is 9 centimeter. Volume of material required to make the shell. Volume of hollow sphere 4 by 3 pi into capital R cube minus small r cube cubic units. 4 by 3 into 22 by 7, pi is 22 by 7 into capital R is 12 cube minus small r is 9 cube. 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 12 cube 1728 minus 9 cube 729. 1728 minus 729 we get 999. 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 999. 999 is divided by 3, we get 333. 4 into 22 into 333 by 7, we get 29,304 by 7. 29,304 is divided by 7, we get 4,186.29 centimeter cube. Exercise 7.2, sum number 10. A container open at the top is in the form of a frustum of a cone of height 16 cm with radii of its lower and upper ends are 8 cm and 20 cm respectively. Find the cost of milk which can completely fill a container at the rate of rupees 40 per liter. Here, a frustum is given. A stop is open. The height of the frustum is 16 cm. The radii of the lower and upper end is given. The radius of lower end is 8 cm and upper end is 20 cm. To fill the tank by milk at the rate of rupees 40 per liter. Find total cost of milk which can be completed fill the container. Frustum height h is equal to 16 cm. Upper is open. The radius is 20 cm. The lower end is radius 8 cm. Lower end radius small r 8 cm. Upper end radius capital R 20 cm. Volume of the frustum is 1 by 3 into pi h into capital R square plus capital R plus small r square cubic units. 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 16, h is 16, into capital R is 20 square plus capital R 20 into small r 8 plus small r 8 square. 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 16 into 20 square 400 plus 20 into 8 160 plus 8 square 64. 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 16 into 400 plus 160 plus 64 we get 624. 624 is divided by 3 we get 208. 208 is divided by 7, we get 29.71. 22 into 16 into 29.71, we get 10,459.43 centimeter cube. 1000 centimeter cube is 1 liter. So divided by 1000, we get liter. 10,459.43 is divided by 1000. We get 10.46 liter. Cost of 1 liter milk is ₹40. Therefore, the cost of 10.46 liter milk, 10.46 into 40, we get ₹418.40.